Okay, here we got a cute little circle equation. There he is. And the question here says find the slope of the tangent line. Here's the tangent line. 0.6 and 0.8 are the same as 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. So we're trying to find the slope of the tangent line at that point. So if we want to find a slope, we use a derivative. So we're going to take the derivative of this with respect to x. So here we go. I'll write it like this. Take the derivative with respect to x. Alright. Now when we take the derivative of the x part, it's like normal. You just go 2x and then plus. Now the y, it's like normal at first. You know, and you take 1 away from the 2, so you have an exponent of 1, just like the x. But then I have to multiply that by y prime. Now sometimes you'll see it written as dy over dx. That's the same as y prime. But I'm not going to write dy over dx right now because I know that you guys like y prime better. But if you want to write dy over dx, you are not wrong, you are correct. So I'm going to write y prime. And then on the other side, I take the derivative of the constant, which is 1, and derivative of 1 is 0. Alright, so now we get the y alone. Let's get the y alone. We're going to move the x to the other side. So we get 2y times y prime equals negative 2x. And now to get the y prime alone, I must divide. So I get y prime equals negative 2x divided by 2y, which then equals negative x over y. That's y prime. Y prime is known as the derivative. Y prime is known as the slope. And so, how would I find the slope? Plug the point in. There he is. So cute, so simple. We have negative 3 over 5 divided by 4 over 5. Now, whenever you divide fractions, 3 over 5 divided by 4 over 5, you can think of it as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we have negative 3 over 5 times the reciprocal of 4 over 5, which would be 5 over 4. The 5s would cancel out. I would be left with negative 3 over 4. This, my students, is my slope. That is the slope of this line right here. And I love this because they already give you the points, and then there's the slope. If you have a point and a slope, you can write the equation too. It doesn't ask us to, but let's do it anyways. Y minus, and what's the y value for our slope? Y value is right up here. Y minus 4 over 5 equals the slope, which is negative 3 over 4, multiplied by x minus the x, which is 3 over 5. Okay, so that's the slope, or that is the tangent line right there.